Ford has made a significant change to the Ford Maverick lineup, removing the standard hybrid powertrain option. Instead, the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine will now serve as the base engine for the 2024 model year, while the hybrid option will come at an additional cost of $1,500, as reported by Ford Authority. On the surface, this may seem like a loss, but in reality, the base Maverick Hybrid would often come with a markup of at least $1,500. By making the hybrid an optional extra, Ford aims to address the supply issue caused by the unexpectedly high demand for the fuel-efficient compact pickup, which offers over 40 mpg. Additionally, this change allows Ford to capture some of the additional markup that dealers have been applying and redirect it to the company. Ford has confirmed that the Maverick's starting price of $24,995, including destination charges, remains the same. This price will now apply to the 2.0-liter turbo model. If customers want the 2.5-liter hybrid engine, they will need to spend a minimum of $26,495. Unfortunately, for those interested in ordering a 2023 Maverick, it is no longer possible as the pickup is sold out for this model year. However, it is expected that orders for the 2024 Maverick will open soon. Interested buyers should act swiftly when they become available, as the previous stock sold out quickly.